Hey Amber babies, today I have a very exciting video. You guys been asking me like crazy to do a video on what do not use actually after dermarolling, because some people, yeah, they don't know, or some people are crazy and they use like microdermabrasion, acids and stuff like this. So guys, today this video is all about what you shouldn't use after dermarolling or microneedling. Guys, today I have actually a notebook in front of me that I made myself. I did a lot of research, so this is not like my own opinion. This is research by doctors and dermatologists and estheticians. So I have 8 ingredients slash products or procedures that you shouldn't use after dermarolling. And number 1 is exfoliating acids. There are exfoliating acids and there are good acids. Exfoliating acids usually dry your skin, makes your skin flaky, red, and can cause inflammation. Now, alone exfoliating acids are good, but to be used with microneedling, I don't recommend that. So guys, today I have a list of exfoliating acids that you do not want to use after microneedling. So no exfoliating acids will be to be used after dermarolling. Glycolic, salicylic, lactic acid, citric, malic acid, mandelic, retinoic acid. Now about retinoic acid, there found some research that some doctors say it's fine, some doctors say it's not fine. On that case particularly, I will say if you have extremely sensitive skin, if you have never used neither dermaroller or retinoic acid, I will stay away from this. Me personally, I do not use ever retinoic acid. It's just like I'm not like against retin-A, but I'm trying to use retinols, which is, or retinol dehydrate, that are a little bit like kind of softer, less irritating form of retinoic acid. It's just like up to you, but I personally do not recommend. Retinoic acid is antioxidant, it's not exfoliating acid, but it's kind of drops in that category where you do not want to use that acids after dermarolling. Then is pyruvic acid, alpha keto acid, tartaric acid, kojic acid, ascorbic acid, and trichloroacetic acid, which is TLC. Everybody people doing. Now there are some acids that actually are good, and that some acids I do recommend highly to be used after dermarolling, which is, for example, hyaluronic acid. Our eyeball is made of mostly hyaluronic acid, which is naturally occurring in our body. That's completely fine. That's totally fine. It's moisturizing, it's hydrating, it's making our skin plumpy, beautiful, and just kind of hydrating, which is really good for the skin. Another acid is ferulic acid. It's antioxidant, but it falls in that category where you can use it. Then is linoleic acid and oleic acids. Both acids are fatty acids, which is really cool to use after dermarolling, which is moisturizing. And then you can also use niacinamide after dermarolling. Many people been asking me if they can use different kind of oils. My suggestion is to use first any serum you want, and after serum, because serum has watery formula, penetrates the deepest in your skin. So if you use microneedling and then you use water formula, like formulated serums, you know that it's really liquidy, like let's say like this one over here, just like this. So oils you should use after you use serum. Serum then can go either cream or oil, whichever texture is more thicker, how you do like skincare layers. You start, which is the most watery formula, the most like liquidy, then you apply less liquidy, a little bit thicker, and the thickest one. If your oil is really liquidy, you can apply the oil actually before cream, and if cream is very lightweight cream, you should apply cream before oil. I hope that doesn't confuse you guys. So number 2, what I will say avoid, it's not harming, it's not toxic, but I will say avoid fragrance because it really can dry and irritate your skin. Number 3 is parabens. There are Methylparaben, Ethylparaben, Propylparaben, Butylparaben, Heptylparaben. There are many parabens, but parabens should be avoided because maybe it can be toxic. My personal opinion, I think you should avoid. Now, number 4 is hydroquinone, which is bleaching agent for the skin that has like melasma, hyperpigmentation, and sun damage and stuff like this. Then number 5 is makeup, sunscreen, tanning lotion. You can use this stuff after 24 hours at least. Then number 6 is Accutane. Accutane is acne product that is made from isotretinoin and benzoyl peroxide. Benzoyl peroxide is also very drying. Then number 7 is laser microdermabrasion and radiation. I know some people want to do microdermabrasion right after dermarolling. That sounds crazy. They're not bad, but you should wait, especially exfoliating acids, like let's wait 7 to 2 hours, depends on the strength of your exfoliating acids. Wait 7 to 2 hours and then use dermaroller. And then bad alcohol like SD alcohol, the nat alcohol, isopropyl alcohol. Alcohols are very drying. I have an entire video on alcohols, which alcohols are bad, which alcohols are good, and I'm gonna list down below in the description box, guys. You can check out this video. So all the main point about this video that you can use all those stuff together. I would never recommend to use bad alcohols, fragrance and parabens in the skincare routine. You should actually check and read products contain parabens or fragrance or bad alcohols. You can use exfoliating acids 2-3 days before, depends on the size of your dermaroller. If your dermaroller is the smallest size, 0.25 for example, and if you want to use very lightweight glycolic serum, you can use actually a night before. You can use exfoliating acids if you're very advanced with microneedling. You can use actually before doing microneedling and then microneedling right after. You can actually do one facial. If you go to a esthetician salon, they're going to do like really powerful facial, so they might going to do exfoliating or microdermabrasion, then they're going to do microneedling. That's totally fine as soon as your skin can handle it. It's everything, like you should know what your skin can handle and whatnot. And I always recommend, if you're going to have some serum, you do patch test. For example, you dermaroll over here, you apply your serum over here, and you know your skin is reacting fine or not. By the way, guys, if you don't know, I have my skincare brand Jean Amber Beauty. I do sell dermarollers, I do sell serums to be used after right microneedling, all safe, no bad alcohols, no fragrances, and completely non-toxic, vegan, cruelty-free, mostly organic, plant-based ingredients. You can check out the website down below. I'm gonna list in the description. What is this? I'm gonna list in the description box. So yeah, that's it guys for today. I love you so much. Bye.